There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
It's nice to breathe in that beautiful saltwater air and relax. For the first time, I feel totally stress-free.
Hey, guys! I just perfected my most brilliant invention yet. Meet UT, the Universal Translator, designed to translate any language into our own. Allow me to demonstrate.
The fact that you pre-chew my food is repulsive.
Hey, it works!
Didn't see that one coming.
It's still talking?
I thought this thing just translated birds.
Since what you're saying doesn't need to be translated, UT is translating it into what you really mean.
I didn't intend for it to do that, but I will gladly accept full credit.
That's great, Tails.
Pretty lame.
That's not what I was thinking at all.
Man, I am totally busted.
Tails, I think it needs some more work.
If that thing doesn't shut its metal trap, I think I might die.
Wait, this thing reads minds?
Wait, this thing reads minds.
Get it out of my head!
Get it out of my head.
Now, calm down, Sticks.
Take it easy, whack job.
Hey!
I am displeased.
Don't be offended, Sticks. Knuckles didn't mean to think that.
He's not the sharpest tool in the shed.
Tails, I think it's best if you shut that thing off. We don't want it to reveal anything too sensitive.
Shut that thing off before it tells Sonic that I love.
What was he saying?
Nothing important.
Very interesting. It seems Tails' new invention is causing friction between Sonic and his friends.
Yeah, and they're not getting along either.
This gives me an idea. If I build a duplicate robot to replace the original, I could have it say whatever I want. They'll be at each other's throats in no time. And with the group divided, I can destroy them once and for all! Don't laugh with me, you're ruining it.
Wow, UT. My friends normally love my inventions. I can't believe you had such a lousy debut.
I blame myself.
No. If it's anyone's fault, it's mine. After all, I'm the one who... Oh, wait. You were just saying my thoughts, huh?
I feel like such a dummy.
Things will go better tomorrow, I promise. Good night, UT. Okay, I know things got off on the wrong foot yesterday, but
Tails, I think it would be best if you turned UT off.
Amy Rose is a big dope.
Oh, so now that's what you're thinking?
What? No, not even close.
And her hair stinks! What does she shampoo with?
Yogurt from the back of the fridge.
Why would you even say that?
But I didn't say that. He did.
Sure you didn't.
I'm stupid.
Hey, I'm not stupid.
And, I'm ugly too, but not as ugly as Sticks.
Hey!
What? Ow! Get off of me!
Now this is going nicely.
Dr. Eggman is a genius.
Hey, I like your style.
You're the only one who understands me.
I think we've seen enough of this.
Let's turn off the monitors and focus on praising Dr. Eggman.
Sonic the Hedgehog, I can't believe you think those awful things!
So now you're gonna trust some bucket of bolts over me?
So wait, who called me stupid? What, I called me stupid?
Don't you see? This is what it wants us to do! The robo-apocalypse is nigh! After everything I do for you, you don't appreciate me. Why am I even here?
I know my friends wouldn't think such horrible thoughts about each other. Maybe UT's malfunctioning? What the heck? I didn't install a remote speaker. Hey, you guys! Stop! We've been duped! Eggman swiped UT and replaced him with this imposter! We gotta save the real UT! Don't you guys want to get UT back?
The thing is, Bud, that robot of yours just makes us fight all the time.
It's evil, I tell ya!
Fine, I see how it is. I'll go get him back myself.
Would you like another slice of cake?
What a beautiful cake. I hope no one sits on it.
Eggman!
Landing in that cake really hurt my credibility.
Not now, UT! Give me back my robot!
Or what?
That's a fair question.
Where's that blue loser? And the rest of your friends?
I'm here alone. I came to negotiate the release of my robot, UT.
Negotiate? Usually we just battle till the losing party, sometimes you, sometimes me, it's about a 50-50 split, retreats to his lair.
Let's pretend that's true and that you don't always lose. In exchange for the safe return of my robot, I'm prepared to offer my services as your lab assistant.
Intriguing. With two mechanical geniuses under one roof, I'd raise my win ratio well above the 50-50 mark that we both agreed earlier was completely accurate.
Then it's a deal?
I'll have Orbot draw up a contract. This will be delicious! Having one of Sonic's friends helping me build the tools that will destroy him!
It's ripe with irony, your evilness. Sonic won't know what hit him.
But wait, the moment Sonic realizes you're missing, he'll come bursting through that door with that circus troupe he calls friends and put a damper on all the fun.
I've already thought of that. Since you're letting UT go, I'll just send a message along with him.
Good thinking, number two.
I thought I was number 2.
Oh, please. I need a computer to figure out where you fall in the pecking order. Fortunately, I have one here. 347.
Hey, gang. It's Tails. I'm going to be staying with Eggman. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% safe and happy.
Hey, here comes Tails' missing robot.
We found him! When you see Tails, tell him we looked everywhere for a long time.
Or we could just recycle the thing and take a blood oath never to tell a soul. What? Just spitballing here.
Hey, gang. It's Tails. I'm going to be staying with Eggman. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% safe and happy.
I snuck into Eggman's lair to save my robot. It was awesome. You should have seen me. Anyways, I need you to come rescue me now. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Wow, UT really came in handy.
Maybe it's not as dumb an invention as we thought. Yeah, but we should still smash it. It's just to be safe.
No time for that now. We gotta go save Tails.
Tails, be a doll and plug my drill into that outlet over there.
That doesn't look very safe.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm having you do it. It's nice having an assistant.
Pick it up.
We're here to save our friend from your evil clutches.
Wait, what? No! Tails and I have a contract!
Here's the lab assistant contract, ready to be signed.
Fine. Lucky thing I always have a plan B.
Amy, look out! That was close.
I care about your well-being.
Aww.
Man!
Tails, deploy the photon bombs! Oh, right.
Wheels up!
No! Ah!
Thanks for the rescue, guys.
Hey, we couldn't have done it without UT.
I think we'll be going on lots more adventures with UT from now on.
I agree.
I'm going to destroy that stupid robot.
Ow! Ah! Sorry, Tails. Had to be done.
Dr. Eggman's evil fireman robot is running loose!
Why does everyone assume every evil robot is mine?
Oh, I don't know. Experience?
You're fired, pal. Get it? I guess not.
Shouldn't firemen put out fires?
Hello, that's the irony. It's the evil opposite of a fireman. I mean, I assume.
Sonic, the evil anti-fire bot is putting a baby walrus into a burning house!
Sonic! Evil anti-firebot is putting a kitten in a tree!
Go, evil fireman! Okay, I admit it, it's mine. Evil robots are what I do. Why stop if you're good at it?
This has gone on long enough.
I, left the oven on.
Looks like that robot is fired!
Hey! No one laughed when I said it.
Sticks, could you get that kitten out of the tree?
Sure thing, Sonic.
Sticks? Sticks? Sticks!
What?
Sticks, we want to talk about how you treat animals.
It's not a good idea to shake kittens out of trees. I know the law of the jungle. Trees are no kitten zones.
That's a real law?
You should get a pet. It would help you learn to love animals. Don't you think, Sonic?
Yes, absolutely.
Then you can take Sticks pet shopping right now.
No, absolutely not.
I ain't cute, fuzzy, and adorable. See? Too cute. Too fuzzy. So adorable. It's
Disgusting?
the least objectionable option. Oh, who's a little cluster wuster? I'm gonna name him Buster.
Buster the Cluster?
Sticks, when I said get a pet, I didn't think you'd come back with something so wonderful.
Ookie.
Sticks, are you sure you want to keep this cluster?
Ahem. It's Buster. Finally, I have an adorable little pet that doesn't disgust me.
Ew, Buster got slime in my fur.
That just means he loves you. hungry little cluster? Who's a hungry, wungry cluster wuster, huh?
Would Buster like a french fry? I don't want any. They've got slime on them.
No. We only eat organic garbage now, don't we, Buster?
Help! Someone is robbing the Danger Code Deadly Equipment warehouse! Seriously, help!
Cybernetic tentacles? Check. Deadly nanobots? Check. Evil spare parts? Check. Oh, these people have everything.
Look, it's Sonic. Let's grab the boxes and go.
Henchbots, you take care of them.
They've got around back. Ugh, someone stop them.
I got him.
Quick, Sticks, run around back and head them off.
I don't want to put Buster in danger. Besides, it's his walk time. We have to talk. Oh, no.
I'm afraid so, Sticks.
You bought him a cluster sock for our 1-week anniversary, but you didn't know I already made him one.
No, Buster's getting in the way of everything.
He ruined our chance to stop those robots.
Ugh, he got slime all over my equipment.
First you say you want me to have a pet, then you say you don't want me to have a pet. I know what's going on here. A massive government mind control experiment!
That's one theory. The other is we just want you to discipline him. Show some... Forget it! Either Buster goes or we do.
Well, if Buster goes, I go. And I'm not going!
Oh, I guess that means we go.
Wait, this is my house.
Oh, hello. I was just stopping by with a present for your little cluster.
A present? For Buster?
Since little Buster here was created in my lab, I still feel like a father to him.
You created Buster?
I did. And now I want to give him this little present.
Wait a minute. Are you sure this cluster isn't just another evil robot built to destroy?
No, it's not another evil robot. It's an evil slime bot. It's a totally different thing. A slime bot is a robot covered in disgusting goo.
Is that the tentacle you stole from the warehouse?
Oh, please. I used that tentacle as a back scratcher. When I was done scratching, I used it to build him.
Hey guys, I think I'm gonna need a little help with the cluster here.
No, don't make me hurt my beloved Buster!
Well, I never liked him much.
Did I say never liked? I meant never got to know.
All right, Buster, the hammer's coming down. Or up, as the case may be.
Aha! Uh-oh.
Good boy, Clusterbot. Now, get her!
Sticks! Buster won't attack you!
Aw, that's sweet.
No! I mean, if there's any way you can stop him, now's the time!
No!
Buster, don't do this. You're good inside. Remember all the times we had? Yeah, I don't remember any of that either.
And now, my clustery friend, finish them.
Buster, no! No eat friends! Bad cluster! Bad cluster!
What? No! Good cluster! Eat friends!
Buster, sit!
No! Stand! Be evil! No!
Buster, take out the trash.
No! No! I'm never making one of these again!
Now give the bone back. Good cluster. Buster, it turns out you were an evil robot. So maybe you're not pet material. I guess this is goodbye. Have fun out there in the big world.
Hey guys, I found a giant octopus. Think I can keep him? Changed my mind.